Welcome inside one of the largest mega bakeries in the world, where millions of loaves are produced daily. Today, we reveal the complex automation and engineering behind the mass production of commercial bread. This massive industrial facility operates continuously to supply fresh bread to millions of consumers. Hundreds of high-tech machines stand ready to transform raw ingredients into perfectly baked loaves. The entire process begins at the intake bay, where massive trucks deliver tons of raw white flour. Pneumatic pipes transfer the incoming flour directly into giant stainless steel storage silos. Inside the quality control lab, technicians test samples of flour to ensure strict protein standards. Automated valves accurately weigh out hundreds of pounds of flour for the initial batching stage. Pure water, liquid yeast, and liquid sugar are precisely measured through a computerized system. The measured ingredients flow down into a massive industrial vertical mixer capable of holding tons. Heavy-duty steel mixing arms rotate rapidly to thoroughly combine the raw ingredients into dough. Over the next several minutes, intense mechanical kneading develops the necessary gluten structure. The massive mixing bowl automatically tilts, releasing a giant mass of sticky dough into a hopper. The raw dough rests briefly in large stainless steel troughs to allow the fermentation process to begin. Pneumatic rams pump the rested dough upward into an automated volumetric chunking machine. The machine swiftly cuts the massive block of dough into manageable, uniform portions for processing. A high-speed volumetric divider cuts the dough into identical individual pieces with exact weight precision. The individual dough pieces drop onto a conveyor belt that funnels them into the conical rounder. The mechanical rounder rolls each dough piece upward, shaping it into a smooth, tight spherical ball. The smooth balls travel along an overhead intermediate proofer conveyor to relax the gluten fibers. Next, the dough balls pass through heavy steel rollers that flatten them into uniform thin sheets. Curling chains immediately roll the thin sheets tightly into the classic cylindrical loaf shape. Mechanical arms gently drop the shaped dough cylinders directly into passing metal baking pans. An automated lidding system snaps metal covers onto the pans to ensure a perfectly square shape. The loaded baking pans move smoothly along a conveyor toward the massive primary proving chamber. Inside the proofer, strict humidity and temperature controls cause the dough to double in volume. The risen dough pans emerge from the proofer and automatically align for entry into the oven. The pans enter a massive continuous tunnel oven that stretches over 100 feet in length. Inside the tunnel oven, precise thermal zones bake thousands of loaves simultaneously and evenly. As the fully baked loaves emerge from the oven, automated vacuum depanners lift them out instantly. The empty metal baking pans circulate back to the start via an automated wash and grease line. The hot loaves are transferred onto an expansive spiral cooling conveyor located high overhead. The bread travels slowly along the cooling tiers for exactly 1 hour to reach room temperature. Cooling is critical to prevent the bread structure from collapsing during the high-speed slicing stage. The cooled loaves pass through ultra-sharp, rapidly reciprocating band blades for perfect slicing. The sliced loaves are immediately pushed into plastic bags by high-speed mechanical plunger arms. An automated twist tying machine secures the end of each bag with a plastic clip or tie. Every packaged loaf passes through an advanced metal detector and checkweigher to ensure safety. Robotic sorting arms carefully stack the finished bread bags into plastic delivery crates. The crates are loaded onto transport trucks for global distribution. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.